Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here we've got the option Reset Phone. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings and enter our screen lock to confirm. Tap on Reset and wait until the options will be reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.